Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to use or how to switch to guest mode in Google Chrome. So to do this you need to turn on your you need to open up your Google Chrome, and here you can see a profile icon on the top right side. You need to click on that. Now you can see there are other profiles available or in my desktop, okay, and here you can see guest as well. So if you click on the guest option, here you can see you are browsing as guest. So yep, now a guest tab is opened, so you can just close the old Google Chrome and you can browse as guest. Right now, yep, in this way you will be you can see that pages you view in this window won't appear in the browser history. So if someone visits to your house and they want to use your desktop, you might like to use your profile, okay. So you can just simply switch to guest mode and let your visitors use your Google Chrome, right? So yep, in this way you'll be able to do that. It's very simple and easy thing. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5 Minute Solution.